Hello, welcome to ATS Design. Today we're doing the running board installation on the Ford F-150. Remove the running board and bracket kit from the box. Check to make sure all hardware and brackets have been included. On each of the factory locations 1, 2, and 3 on the rocker panel, install the provided U-clip nut into place. From the factory location number 3, on the pinch weld, measure back 9.5 inches to locate bracket location number 4. On this marked location, drill an 1/8 inch pilot hole, followed by a 5/16 finish hole in location number 4. Install the main bracket using a 5/16 hex head bolt, washer, and nylock nut through the pinch weld. At this time, leave brackets loose. At the top of the bracket locations 1, 2, and 3, install the 5/16 hex head bolt through the bracket into the rocker panel. At this time, leave loose. Mount the running boards onto the bracket and adjust the running boards to the vehicle. Install the supplied 5/16 nylock nuts and washers to the running board mounting bolts. Torque all bracket bolts to 8 foot-pounds. In location 4 on the rocker panel, install the 3 supply tech screws through the bracket. Be sure not to over tighten. This will conclude the running board installation.